Engineers and CAD designers using SOLIDWORKS are able to speed up design cycles by automating repetitive design tasks with DriveWorks. But with multiple versions available, how do you know which is the right one for your current business, let alone your future workflows? Let's start with DriveWorks Xpress. This is built into every seat of SOLIDWORKS, completely free. It isn't really designed for commercial applications, but is ideal if you just want to get started with the design automation and want to evaluate whether DriveWorks could be the solution that you need. By creating some basic rules, you can drive model dimensions, features, and configurations quickly. It's simple to use and a great starting point, but it's limited in terms of forms, automation, and collaboration. If you're more seriously considering design automation, then you need to implement a more robust and capable solution than the Xpress tool can offer. DriveWorks Solo provides commercial design teams with core design automation tools. With over 250 rule functions, custom forms, table-driven logic, and document outputs. Solo helps you control modules, manage complex drawings, and produce tailored documents, all without having to leave SOLIDWORKS. Businesses looking to reduce the cost of configurable designs and respond to sales inquiries more quickly should consider DriveWorks Solo to enhance product quality and repetitive design tasks. In DriveWorks Solo, model generation still needs to be triggered manually, and there's no web access nor integration with external systems. That means teams facing complex requirements, siloed workflows, or various collaboration challenges are more likely to benefit from the tools and modularity offered by the complete package in DriveWorks Pro. The most flexible design automation solution available to SOLIDWORKS users adds powerful tools to support full configuration to order workflows. DriveWorks Pro is the version to choose if you need to automatically generate complex CAD models or integrate with external ERP and PDM systems. It includes web-based configurators and generative design tools, while additional modules like Autopilot, DriveWorks Live, and Administrator provide businesses with the flexibility to scale across teams and departments with confidence. So which version of DriveWorks do you need? Start with Xpress to take your first steps and test the waters of design automation. For commercial designers, start saving time with Solo by implementing internal automation and deeper design control. Or choose the Pro package if you're ready to scale, integrate, and automate at a business level, offline or online. As part of the TriMech Group, our experienced consultants help companies across the world select the solutions that work for them. Should you need some more help in choosing your first DriveWorks version, or simply would like to see a demo of it in action, then you can contact us via the details on screen and start saving time today.